not only a celebration of achievements, but also a reflection of the hard work, perseverance, and growth of every learner throughout the school year. Each child here has faced lessons, challenges, and discoveries that help shape their knowledge, character, and dreams. To my classmates, we are the heart of today's celebration. Our joy in learning, our courage in facing difficulties, and our joyful spirit in the classroom have made this year memorable. Every quiz completed, every project submitted, every story read, and every lesson learned are proofs that we are capable of reaching greater heights. Let us continue to be curious, responsible, and kind wherever our journey takes us. As we close the school year, let us celebrate accomplishments, cherish friendships, and look forward to new opportunities ahead. May this event remind us that every ending is a new beginning, and every step forward brings us closer to our dreams. Having said these simple thoughts, I would like to welcome you all on the 77 closing exercises of our dear alma mater, Baybayog Elementary School. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Elementary School, this school year 2025-2026, composed of 24 boys and 29 girls, with a total of 53 candidates for graduation. I hereby petition the Office of the School's Division Superintendent to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates.
Candidates for graduation of Baybayog Elementary School have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the official representative of our beloved Regional Director Benjamin D. Paragas, Assistant Regional Director Florante E. Vergara, CLMD Chief Octavio V. Cabasag, and upon the recommendation of your school head, Dr. Caroline A. Manuel, and certification by your Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Gina N. Kinan, that you have satisfactorily met all the requirements prescribed by the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, I, Marian Cabasag Jaros, now accept and confirm you graduates of Baybayog Elementary School for school year 2025-2026. In a short while, you will be receiving your elementary diploma, signifying the successful completion of this stage in your academic journey. Congratulations, dear graduates, and to our proud parents and guardians. Isang makabuluhang araw sa ating lahat. As we conclude this school year, we do more than close a chapter. We honor the strength that carried out our learners, teachers, and families through months of hard work, sacrifice, and hope. Sa ating mga mag-aaral, this year was not always easy. May mga sariling mahirap intindihin, may mga araling mahirap intindihin, at mga pagsubok na tila nakakapagod. Yet, you stayed the course and learned to rise after setbacks. That resilience will matter far beyond the classroom. Our schools became second homes where friendships were formed and confidence is slowly rebuilt. Hindi lamang kaalaman ang natutunan ninyo, kundi disiplina, malasakit, at tibay ng loob. Mga katangian, huhubog sa inyo bilang mga kabataan handang manguna ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Behind every learner's success stands a community. To our dear teachers, thank you for teaching not only lessons but courage. To our parents and families, your support made every achievement possible. Education is indeed a shared responsibility. This year, we continue strengthening the foundations of basic education, from sharpening the revised K-12 curriculum and expanding senior high school pathways, to sustaining programs that help learners recover essential skills and better supporting our teachers. Under the leadership of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., we remain committed to building an education system that prepares Filipino learners for the future. As we celebrate the end of the school year rights, we're reminded of the aspiration that guides our effort this year. Filipino graduates prepared to live with competence and character. This reflects the kind of learners we strive to nurture. Young Filipinos who are not only academically prepared, but also guided by integrity, compassion, and a strong sense of responsibility to serve others. To our learners moving forward, especially our graduates, this is only the beginning. Dalhin ninyo ang sipag, disiplina at malasakit na inubog sa inyo. Knowledge will open doors, but character will define your path. We are proud of you, we believe in you, and we will continue building a stronger future for every Filipino learner. Maraming salamat po. Signed, Sunny Angara.
Today is a celebration of achievement, growth, and new beginnings as we honor our young learners who have successfully completed an important chapter of their educational journey. On this special occasion, it is my privilege to introduce a man whose life reflects dedication, discipline, and excellence in public service. Our guest speaker is a native of Baybayog, Alcala, Cagayan, and the second child of Mr. and Mrs. Manolo Corpus Sr. He is married to Nerina Torrado Corpus, a public school teacher, and they are blessed with 4 wonderful children, Queen Ashley, Rina May, Kesaya, and Mijay Thirdy. He is currently serving as a project engineer under the Infrastructure Division of the Engineering Service of the Philippine National Police. His role carries great responsibility in supporting the development of facilities essential to public service, an indication of the trust and confidence placed in his abilities. His academic journey is equally inspiring. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering from Cagayan State University and later completed Bachelor of Science in Criminology at the Lyceum of Apari. Driven by his desire for growth, he further pursued and completed his master's degree in management, major in public administration at Philippine Christian University in Manila on March 14, 2026. Throughout his career, he has undergone various trainings, such as the Public Safety Officer's Basic Course, Police Engineering Course, and Criminal Investigation Course, equipping him with strong leadership, technical expertise, and a deep sense of service. His dedication and perseverance have led to his promotion as police captain, a testament to his commitment and consistent performance. He has also received numerous awards and commendations, reflecting his excellence and valuable contributions to the service. Indeed, his journey reminds us that success is built through hard work, perseverance, and a heart dedicated to serving others. His story stands as inspiration to our graduates, that with determination and faith, dreams can be achieved. To our dear graduates, may the words you will hear from our guest speaker today inspire you to value your education, believe in yourselves, and continue striving for excellence. To our parents and teachers, may this message also remind us of the importance of guiding young minds toward becoming responsible, disciplined, and compassionate individuals. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor, please join me in welcoming our guest speaker, Police Captain Manolo Paulasa Corpus Jr.
Dear graduates, balunan nyo dagiti memories di sakripisyo yo bayat di kina elementaryo. Pinasapa nga pinag-iing nga bay. Panag-review, late night nga panag-aralit sa assignment, ay ayaw mati mo nang aramidan ba yan. And that dumapay. Di tema tayo taptang tawin, ket Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Kahit nga tawin, ipalagip na katatayo at ipudto nga success. Ket saan laing nga maragot ti kinangato ti adal ken kabailan. Yan, masapul namin tinaimbag aga pabalin. Ibingay kuman nga rod katakayo ti kayat na nga sawen iti siyay. Sino makamo ti siyay, ti meaning ti siyay? Awan. Siyay ngamin, da kayo isilaw ang maglawag iti masakbayan nyo. Itkan kayo ti meaning ti siyay. Di mo na nga nag-bracket S. S, strive for excellence. Aramidan nyo amin akabaylan nyo, yan yaman abanag, simple man when no saan. Next letter, H. The letter H, have faith. Italik nyo amin kinaapo, yan yaman aramidan nyo. Sakpay kayo mangrugi, yan yaman aramidan nyo, at kararag kayo. Gapo, nga apo Diyos laing ti kabilaygan, nga mangited, yan mangiturong iti panagbiag tayo. Yan sumurunong nga letra, yan I, inspire others. Baka tamagin nyo, Bing, no? Kasano kung maka-inspire, yan, grade 6 kayo pa lang na nga. Uray, basit lang nga panagaramit. Pinaimbag, yan, Makaited kayo, iti inspirasyon, iti nagduma. Sumuro ng letra, ket letter N. Never give up. At dahil iti tayo nga marigatan tayo, yan kan tayo masumuko. Tapos naman tayo masumuko, at supli tayo yung letter H. Yung letter H?
Have faith.
Have faith, correct. Next letter E. Embrace good values. Pinaimbag ang kababalin, yan pa nag-ugugali, kahit iso tipot no, at tinapaknang tinaysahan na tao. Taurin sa dinno, ti papanan tayo, kahit may pangat tayo. Patpat yan mi nga graduates, saan na nasken na perfecto kayo, nagbalin kayo nga leader. Nasken laeng nga danapod no nga puso, may imbag ang kababalin, ken tinapod no ti arali. Anya kami tinining ti China, nya ti letter S. Strive for excellence. Letter H, have faith. Letter I, inspire others. Letter E,
And
never give up. And letter E, embrace good values. Dumikaw big. Iso nga ti Shine, no aramidan nyo, kahit iso ti mangted kada kayo, iti naimbal ang kababalin, nga iso ti mangidalan kada kayo, tatno pilyan nyo, iti nasaya, uray no awan makakikita, at daling kayo, nga natayaw kay na respeto, iti tunggal maysa. Nawakin man, nagiti graduates, nga sumakder ka, kahit sa maganda, nagiti naganak nyo. Kaikan tayo man, ti napigsa nga palakpak, atas panagyaman ti awan sarbay nga panagayakda, then panagsuportada ken kanyayo. Palakpakan tayo man ubing. Thank you. Sa ating mga graduates, magpatuloy kayong magliwanag. Dalhin ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap, kabutihan at determinasyon sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Once again, congratulations, batch of 2026. Keep shining.
In grateful appreciation and recognition of sharing his expertise as the guest speaker on the 77th closing exercises of Baybayon Elementary School, Alcala East District, Alcala, Cagayan, with the team, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Given this 30th day of March 2026 at Baybayon Elementary School, Baybayon, Alcala, Cagayan. Signed, Caroline A. Manuel, School Head. Aresta Joshua V. with honors. Bartolome Tyron Marcos A. with honors. Bautista Alvin Charles L. with honors. Huday Cyril A. with honors. E. with honors. Pascual Javier James N. with honors. Aresta John LJB. Asuncion Victor. Daryl James Ivan G. Batalia JC Adrian R. Kakachan Steven P. Cedron John Ryan Jr. C. Celis James B.
ito di sa ito dyan, video na ating mga.
Contilio James B. Duque Mark J. P. Turwin Zian G. Pero Ramonso G. Gonzales Kevin S. Matote Joshua G. Sales Richard A. Sales Zachary Drake L. Simplicio Donald U. Tabayan John Mark G. Valdez A.C. Aguinaldo Charmel J.T. with high honors. Abadilia Princess Anne O. with honors.
Ba't natampak na doon?
Adviento Keira Azalea C. with honors. Apran Elia Zaidin C. with honors. Bakuli Stacy Megan S. with honors. Banayan Julian Ezekiel B. with honors. Kabasag Casey Altea R. with honors. Katachan Jewel Andrea F. with honors. Parangyan Minerva Luz A. with honors. Contilio Crizel T. with honors. De la Cruz Natasha M. with honors. Javier Lizelle B. with honors. Limon Andrea Brel R. with honors. Naoy Maria Soledad P. with honors.
Virtual DJ.
Orbilia Ninja May N. with honors. Pascual Zakina Ayeshari B. with honors. Robles Fatima Grace P. with honors. Saavedra Nika Andrea L. with honors. Tabula Princess Leia T. with honors. Torado Jamin C. with honors. Villarde Cindy A. with honors. Natalia Grisel R. Joaquin Joanna May S. Makapulay Fabian Lorin T. Pagaguan Rian Zairi L.
First and foremost, I would like to thank our dear parents and guardians. Thank you for your endless love, patience, and sacrifices. You have guided us, supported us in our studies, and cheered us on, even when we face challenges. Your care has been our strength, and your belief in us has inspired us to do our best every day. To our teachers, thank you for your dedication, hard work, and patience. You have taught us not only lessons from books, but also values that we will carry with us for life. Respect, kindness, honesty, and perseverance. You have guided us when we struggled, encouraged us when we doubted ourselves, and celebrated with us when we succeeded. You have shaped us into the learners we are today, and for that, we are forever grateful. To our school administrators and staff, thank you for providing a safe and welcoming environment for us to learn and grow. Your efforts behind the scenes have made our school a place where learning is joyful and meaningful. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the laughter, the fun memories, and the teamwork. Together, we have shared challenges and successes, and these moments will stay in our hearts forever. Thank you to everyone who has touched our life during these years. Every lesson, every words of encouragement, and every act of kindness has made a difference in our journey. Above all, we thank God for the wisdom throughout our journey. As we close this chapter and step into the next stage of our life, I promise to carry with me the lesson, love, and memories you have given. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
Panunumpa sa katapatan. Dahil sa matibay na pananalig sa Diyos, sa paraan ng pamumuhay, at ang simulaing pinaghirapan ng ating matatapat